Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create your first task in your to-do lists on Microsoft To Do. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to your account on Microsoft To Do. If you don't know how to navigate to it, log into your Microsoft account and in the top left corner you will see the app launcher with these Microsoft applications. So from there simply navigate to Microsoft To Do here. Also make sure that you're logged in with your Microsoft account. Now, inside your Microsoft account on To Do here, expand that list here on the left-hand side and navigate to tasks. Here, click into add a task. You may navigate or switch between a grid and a list view and create your task. So as you can see, I added already an example task. So I will go with another one, example task 2. And that's it. Click into add here on the right hand side. And now the task has been added to your task list. You can click into it to customize it. For example, you can mark it as important. And for example, also add a note, add a file. And if you, for instance, right click into it, you will be given access to these options. Like for example, you may delete a task, or for example, set a due date, like tomorrow, or click into this button here to remove the due date. And that's basically it. If you'd like to add a custom due date, here on the right hand side, guys, there's that option, add due date. And after that, select pick a date and choose a date from the calendar. Navigate through the calendar like March 3rd, for instance, click into save. And lastly, guys, you may mark task as completed by clicking into the checkmark button here. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.